All right, guys, Garry Dean, RapidRideRehab.com, formerly DetailJuice.com. Now, I got two brand new products that you've never used, never seen before. On this side, we have the brand new water-based ceramic coating, Super Stack. The biggest benefit to Super Stack is in 4 hours, it cures and you can apply another layer, which literally will build and stack. Because it's water-based, there's no solvent in it to potentially remove a top layer like there is in a solvent-based coating that you try to layer. So you don't have any negative effects or any of that with the solvents in it compromising your stack, if that makes sense. We see with one layer, you'll get over a year of, well, that's what we see here in Florida. We get over 1 year of durability with one layer of this situation. How I use this in my detailing business is I sell some people a maintenance package, and that includes a Super Stack. That's the only thing. So basically, I'll use Infinite Use Detail Juice Pure to wash, then I'll clay, and I'll apply a coat of this Super Stack. If they apply monthly, you're going to have all the protection you can get from a solvent-based coating from a water-based coating. So this has the SiO2, the TiO2, the zirconium oxide fanciness for gloss enhancing and for the durability and hardness that you get from this water-based ceramic coating. So this is pretty cool. It works very well, and it's a great easy way in or out of the sun to add massive protection that's chemically durable and physically durable. I mean, it is what it is. It's a water-based ceramic, so it's not going to be quite the same as a heavy-duty solvent-based ceramic like the brand new Rapid ceramic coating. But it is absolutely quality protection, and if you apply it annually, you shouldn't ever have to worry. But my maintenance customers, I apply this. I charge a little bit more for that package, but I apply this every time I see them. Either 2 weeks or monthly, I'll apply a coat of this, and they'll never need more protection. You just won't. It will literally last indefinitely. And like I said, you're giving them better protection. It takes a little bit longer to apply than the Rapid In and Out Protect. So you're going to charge a little bit more. So if you're looking to make really good dough with a maintenance program, this will do it for you. Or if you're just lazy and don't want to work real hard to get awesome protection, that'll do that for you too. The Rapid ceramic coating is a derivative of the original Fast 5 ceramic. The benefits here are that we've added the zirconium oxide, our gloss enhancers to it. We also added all of the good stuff from the CRH PP 1100 that I released last year in paste form. That product is amazing. I love it. I still use it today. I have lots of people still using it, but the problem is it's crazy expensive to manufacture, and it's complicated for a potential customer to see a product that looks like a wax, but you're selling them a ceramic coating. So to get rid of all of the random what ifs and weirdness, all you've got to do is give them what they're asking for, a solvent-based ceramic. This is a 5-year ceramic based on all my experience in the industry and in the real world, not just in the lab testing these products. This stuff is awesome. It can be used in direct sunlight, one panel at a time. When you apply it in direct sunlight, my recommendation is get all your prep done, get your panel clean and ready, apply to either a half or a full panel at a time. Once you've applied it, remove it immediately. If not, it will start to cure, and it'll be harder to remove every second after that if you're in direct sunlight. So you can use it in direct sunlight. I do it all the time. Works amazing. And you'll get crazy good gloss, really good protection from the elements. UV protection is something that's really, it's questionable. There is some UV protection in this, but ultimately UV rays beat up everything. That's the answer. It does help with UV. It is a beneficial product to have to help with the sun damage, but Coatings are not the end all be all of UV damage. It's just not. And that's me being honest with you, because that's all I do. But this is a very easy product to use. It goes on fast. It easy removal. The durability is, like I said, we get 5 years, no problem. I've had this product, the base product, I've been testing 12 years. So this is a tried and true formula that we've had for a very long time, that we've basically recently beefed up and made even better, slicker, glossier, and more protective. So you got your scratch and mar resistance, you've got your crazy gloss, your ceramic coatings generally aren't slick. This is, you would use, for either one of these products, you would use the Rapid In and Out Protect as the booster if you were going to booster. These are absolutely set it and forget it products. If you want to, maintenance is most important, which means you need to wash at least every 30 days for these to stay effective. But if you want them to last indefinitely, you'd then use the Rapid In and Out Protect whenever you want, in between whatever the lifespan is you're looking to try. So you want to go ahead and use it, use it, use it. I'm talking about the Rapid In and Out Cleaner, or Rapid In and Out Protect, I apologize. This right here, that's the maintenance product. So if you need me, 813-846-4406. I'm here to help you in your detailing endeavors, answer any questions that you have, and if you need detailing products, check out rapidriderehab.com. Thank you guys for watching. Use my cell if you need me, and I appreciate you for giving me the time and listening to me babble about my detailing endeavors and all these things. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day, guys.